Now on the dependency status, the first question is asking, what is your marital status as of today? And this is still student information. As a student, are you single, married, separated, divorced, or widowed? Click the one that pertains to you and hit next. Do you have or will you have children who will receive more than half of their support from you between July 1st, 2021 and June 30th, 2022? If you have children, you put yes. If not, we put no. Do you have dependents other than children or spouse who live with you and who have received more than half of their support from you from now through June 30th, 2022? If you do have dependents, you click yes. If you do not, we put next, and we click the next button. Now, answer the following questions to determine if you are required to provide information about your parents on your FAFSA. Check all that apply or check none of the above. Are you currently serving on active duty in U.S. Armed Forces for purposes other than training? Are you a veteran of the U.S. Armed Forces? At any time you turn age 13, were both of your parents deceased? Were you in foster care, or were you a dependent or ward of the court? As dependent by a court in your state of legal residence, are you or were you an emancipated minor? Does someone other than your parent or step-parent have legal guardianship of you? As determined by a court in your state of legal residence, or none of the above? Please click any of these boxes if they pertain to you. Otherwise, none of the above and next. On or after July 1st, 2020, were you homeless or were you self-supporting and at risk of being homeless? If you are, you put yes. If no, we put no, and we click next. Now, this information that I have provided has stated that I am considered a dependent student and I must provide information from my parents. It gives me an option if I have a special circumstance and if I'm unable to provide information to state that here. But if I do live with my parents, if I have them nearby, then I will be able to provide information about my parents. Click that and click next. We are now in parent demographics.